As much as I record, I should have way more content for us than I have been putting out there. Granted, don't get me wrong, I'm taking everything one day at a time, but I just want to be able to be comfortable and be transparent with you so that I'm showcasing everything and not holding back anything that I know that can benefit you. And it makes me feel good. I'm happy when I'm able to be my authentic self, because my personality, it's there. It's colorful, very colorful. But still in all, yeah, get y'all some of that. That with the good vibes. Y'all know how we do it on here. Good morning. So today I decided to take you along with me on my day. And making sure my hair is moistened. Whew. Good. Hey y'all, so finishing up the water. This is about 32 ounces of water in this mason jar, which is a great way to start off your morning with. Before consuming anything, drink water. Got the Palo Santo.
Bonito.
Alright y'all, dressed for the gym. Always make sure you properly hydrate your body so that your body works effectively. See, I got 2 more bottles of water. I post a lot of my workouts on Instagram, the Instagram story that is. So if you follow me there, then you know that I keep you all up to date with what's going on inside the actual gym. Anyhow, I have a busy day ahead of me today, and I'm just heading home. So this is the 2nd bottle of water, y'all. Make sure you're drinking enough water. So made it back home. Give me 1 second. Alright y'all, so I finished the smoothie and I'm going to take a shower, and I'll be back to show you the 2nd meal of the day. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, I'm back. Took the shower and let's see how we looking. I think that's good. Oh look. So y'all can see y'all friend. He good. I actually got this bear from a parade. I caught it at a parade, and I felt like it was just so nice. Thank you. Shout out to you who threw me that bear at the parade. You the truth. Anyhow, Now I'm just having some avocado and rice. It's on a rice cake. I have two. And I put sea salt and black pepper on top, just for that flavor. It's pretty good. You should try it if you haven't already. I'm gonna eat that. But what I really wanted to say was that one thing about me is that I do not like being restricted. So as much as I love making all the videos that I've been making on YouTube for us and for the channel, at times I feel kind of restricted. And the reason I say that is because for myself, my whole lifestyle is worth seeing. Because I know a lot of things that I partake in and that I do is very beneficial, and I for sure know that the next person can benefit from just simple things that I may put out there. And like I said, I just don't like being restricted. So I could always get on here and be like, okay, this is a what I eat in a day video, but it's gonna be kind of boring sometimes. That's how I feel. And I've done a lot of these recordings and a lot of these vloggy what I eat in a day videos, but I haven't posted them. And as much as I record, I should have way more content for us than I have been putting out there. Granted, don't get me wrong, I'm taking everything one day at a time, but I just want to be able to be comfortable and be transparent with you so that I'm showcasing everything and not holding back anything that I know that can benefit you. And it makes me feel good. I'm happy when I'm able to be my authentic self, because my personality, it's there, it's colorful, very colorful. But still in all, I think overall I'm going to just start vlogging, and it will be like a healthy, holistic lifestyle vlogs. That way I don't have to solely target and focus on what I eat today, what exercise I done today. I can kind of compile the gym, the food, the whatever I do, my hair routine. I can compile it in one holistic lifestyle vlog. So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. So y'all know when y'all see the title, holistic lifestyle vlog, or holistic, like when y'all see lifestyle vlog or something like that, y'all know what it is. Anyhow, y'all know I like to talk. We've established that, and I don't think I need to keep repeating myself, but we've established that. But I'm not going to hold you on too long. Alright, so this is the third thing I'm eating today. Wow. Put that in there. Yeah. Kind of late, so I just want to get something in my system. Nothing too heavy. It's so good. Oh, I'm in the way, huh? I think I'm gonna add some mushrooms inside. I'll take a few of these. 2 is fine, because I'll just chop them up. So I gave them a rinse, and I'm gonna just chop a little bit in there. Don't cut yourself. Chop it up. Alright. Put some more sauce in it. see. Now I'm gonna get some black pepper in it. Okay, so look, it's so simple. I'm gonna add some black beans inside that I had. I think that's legit to bulk up the meal. Let that heat up. When you're trying to just get a healthier lifestyle, it's not supposed to be complicated at all. You just keep it simple. I should have tracked this for y'all so y'all can see how much nutrients is in it, the protein, the carbs, and the fats. But it's a complete meal. If I had to guess, I would say it had about 12 to 14 grams of plant-based protein right here. You got the healthy fats with the avocado. Good source of protein and carbs in the black beans. Like, it's high quality, no soy, legit. And it tastes great, so. For sticking with me. I think we had a good day today. I enjoyed this. Got the water. Right. All right, y'all. I had a beautiful day with y'all. Thank you again for stopping by. Make sure to give this video a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. See y'all in the next video. Be blessed. Stay grounded. Aim for positivity. And we gonna keep growing. We gonna just keep growing. See you next time.